Hi kids, how are you? Today we are going to draw and coloring a mermaid. Are you ready? Let's start. First, we are going to draw a shape like this. Can you do it? Okay, now this shape is for the body. Now for the tail, we draw like this. In here, and the arms. Okay, the neck and the face or the head, of course, and then the hair. Beautiful, right? And the eyes, the nose, and the lips. Now we draw the fin, and we'll draw a piece near the mermaid. And then the stones and plants. And bubbles, because the mermaid is underwater. There are a lot of bubbles. Now we start coloring the body, the face, and the hair. And then the clothes of the mermaid. Beautiful, right? And the fish, the stone, and the plants, of course. You color the eyes with white, and then the lips with red, and the eyes of the fish, and we do little things to the plants and the rocks. Looking good, right? And then the waves, draw the waves of the water and the bubble. Okay, that's it. Quite easy, right? Okay. Don't forget to subscribe to this video. And I hope you guys enjoy it. See you to the next video. Bye bye.